Good morning, students. Welcome to the online virtual classes. I am Safa Kazi, here about to teach the 12th standard IT. Both science and commerce section can see this video. Last lecture, we have seen about the meta tag and the different types of meta tag. Today, we'll learn about the cascading style sheet, which is based on the HTML5. So, we'll begin with it. Cascading style sheet is known as CSS, which is describe how to style the element, how to display on the screen. Yeah, you can see also how to get the element as decoration in the web creation. CSS is saved in the lot of work. It controls the layout of the multiple web page at once. CSS allow you to control and look and feel of the server page by changing a simple tag. So we'll have the CSS syntaxes, which is set rule contain a selector and the declaration block. So we'll begin with selector. Selector indicate it contain what you want to use in the CSS selector. Select can be the HTML element by the tag, ID, class, type and attribute. It is used in between of H1 and the body. So this is the selector. Declaration block. The declaration block can contain one or more declaration separated by using the semicolon. So you're having the syntax like color, semicolon, yellow. Then font size, semicolon, 11px. So each declaration can contain property, name, value, separation by using colon. So this is the syntax of the declaration block. So this is the selector. We are having the declaration block. So declaration block can contain one or two. So it is contained with the color. It contained with the font size. Now the property. The property is the type of attribute of an HTML element which contain color, border and etc. Value. Whatever the value you put inside the syntax, it is used as the CSS property. It is used as a value. Now we will see about the types of CSS. We have the inline, embedded and the external style sheet. So we begin with the inline style sheet. Inline style sheet in simple language we can call as a single line sheet. It is used inside the CSS. Now inline style sheet is directly affect the tag that can be written in without the using of selector. It is used to apply the style in the single line, or we can call it is use an element in the single sentence. It is use a style attribute is just like any other HTML attribute. It goes inside the element, begin the tag and write after the tag name. It begin with the style. So P style is equal to color blue. Then hello CSS, paragraph is closed. Now inline style sheet is written in the single way. So it is written as the syntax in the single way. Now we are having the embedded style sheet. This style sheet is used to apply in the single documentation. Like it can affect the all element of the page. It can written inside the page of the style within the heading section of the HTML. But the internal CSS we cannot style a multiple document at once. Embedded is used in between of head section. So we are having the practical here. So we'll see the how it is embedded and the inline is here. So we'll have one practical here. Doc type HTML head style H1 color semicolon red. So yes student, I have said that in the embedded style it is coming in between of head. So we call that style H1. H1 is the use in the heading. Then curl bracket open, color semicolon red. Then that inverted commas. Yeah, close comma you can say as curl bracket close. Then the style is close. It is contained in between the head open and head close. So these are the embodied. This paragraph it is used in the embodied style. Then we having the body H1, the internal style shade is applied on this heading. So this is the H1. In case if you are writing H2 here, it will format in the H2. So it is I am using here H1 as per your textbook. So head 1 is closed. Now inline, where the inline is format, it is used in the paragraph. It is writing in the paragraph format. So I am using here inline. So you are having here P style color blue. Hello CSS. So I am writing this here in the your P. So I am writing P style equal to double inverted comma color minus blue. So here semicolon blue. So I am writing here semicolon blue. So inverted comma close. Now what it is written here? Hello CSS. So in between I will write here this paragraph will not affect it. So now I'll save the file again with the css.html. So I'm writing here css.html and save the file. Yes, I'll save the file. I'll run here my practical through the Internet Explorer. So I'm writing my practical here, Opera Internet Browser. So students here, whatever you have written, so your style color is in the red color, so it is formatting in the red style, and it is used in the H1, it is used in the heading style, so it will affect here. Now your paragraph style color is blue, it is used in the inline color, so it is used in the blue color. So student, you understand how you can format the embedded and line style. This is the embedded style and this is the inline style, which effect in a single line. It is effect in the heading, opening head and closing head. So student, these are called the embedded and the inline style. Now student will see what are the properties of CSS. Now we are having the property called color, which use the color of the text, and if you give the values name as color, example like H1 color maroon. Background color, to set the background color in your web page, it is working as a color name, you can give as a body color yellow. So student, whatever the format you are having in this table, you can use as an example here in your web creation. So we are having the font style used to the bold text, bold or 100, 200 or 900. The P font color, font weight is equal to 300. Font style, use italic style, italic bold, you can use many types of font also. So we are having italic, oblique or normal. We have example P font style italic. Text decoration, this property is used to add the straight through the mark, underline, overstrike to remove underline from the link. Here you can use line through, underline, overline, none. So P is equal to T decoration, semicolon, underline. So you can use many types of text. Text align, what is the text align? You can give the proper margin, a proper sentence of the margin to that correct place. You can use a left, right, corner. So your text is here on this part, this is used as a left margin. If your text is here, you can use as a right margin. if your text is here at the center, you can use the center margin. So these are the text align margin. Now font family, this is used to control the font size. Font name, so that are called this font family. Font size, it allows the size of the font. So pix in centimeter pt. What are they? They are the font size. Letter spacing, this help to control the horizontal spacing between the character of the text. Padding, this property is used when you want to add padding blank space around the content of the element. Border, you can use the border of the solid, double, groove or anything of the web creation. Background image, you can set the image on your URL. Margin left, the margin left can be set at your side of the element. So these are the example which you can use in your web creation. So students, if you want to practice, you can use this example for your web creation. Now we are coming to as an external style sheet. External style sheet is generally used when you want to change the on multiple page. If facility, you can change the look of entire website by changing the just one file. It is used to like link tag on every web page, and link tag should be used as to put inside the heading section. So one more we have seen about the external style sheet. In embedded style sheet, we have seen to use a style in between of head and head close. Now we are having the external style sheet, which is used as a link sheet inside the head and head close. So we are having here. So we have written as an external style sheet can be written in the text editor and must be saved in .css external. The external CSS file should contain in HTML tag only. So whatever you are saving your file, it should be saved with the style.css file. So we'll see one more practical here.